Bleed. What is bleed? Bleed refers to printing that goes all the way to the edge of a sheet of paper. In order to trim a sheet of paper that has color, graphics, or text that goes all the way to the edge of the sheet, we need to include a bleed area. Let's look at a standard business card that has bleed and compare it to one that does not. In this first example, the card has print that extends beyond the edges. It is considered to have full bleed. On this card, however, we can see that there is no printing that extends beyond the edges of the card. There is blank space between the edge of the card and the closest printing. This card does not have bleed. How to create bleed. Let's look at how to set up a business card with and without bleed. Documents without bleed. A standard business card measures 3.5 inches wide by 2 inches high. When a printer trims out a document such as this, they will add in crop marks to show where the paper should be cut. On a card that does not have any bleed, we see that a cut line would not interfere with any printing at this finished size of 3.5 by 2 inches. This business card can then be created at its proper finished size. Documents with bleed. The card with full bleed is different. Notice that if we add crop marks at 3.5 inches by 2 inches and draw our cut line, it will pass through an area that has printing. Everything outside of this line will be removed, leaving printing that goes all the way to the edge of the card. In order to achieve this, the document needs to have extra space added. Standard bleed area is 1/8 of an inch, or 0.125 inches, on every side of the document. That means that if we want a business card with full bleed, we should create it with the dimensions of 3.75 inches wide by 2.25 inches high, which is the finished size plus the bleed area. It is important to remember that any text, photos, or graphics that you do not want cut off should be kept a safe distance away from the edge of your card. This space may be referred to as a safe area. The safe area should be about the same width as the bleed area, or 1/8 of an inch. This will ensure a balanced and professional-looking design. Here we can see in both of our sample cards that we have left a safe area between the edge of the card and any text or important graphics. These tips can be applied to most other print jobs as well, such as flyers, postcards, and booklets. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our products or services, please visit www.encoreprint.net. Thank you.